This is the story of the ugly duckling.
It was the prettiest part of spring, a shining April morn. A mama duck sat patiently beneath the boughs of an apple tree. She waited there through many a day for her ducklings to be born.
The mama duck was round and soft, and she sat in a warm brown nest. Under her wings were 4 eggs, 3 small ones, and the 4th remarkably large. Suddenly, to her delight, the smaller eggs burst. 1, 2, 3, and 3 charming baby ducks popped their heads out. They looked around them with amazement and said to their mama,
"How wide the world seems!
How high is the sky!
The trees are so green. Green's good for the eye. You find much for wonder.
Beep, 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 beep.
And joys without number.
Beep, 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 beep.
The meadow is endless.
This air is so clear. The pond is tremendous.
There's nothing to fear. My dears, how nice you're all here. That is all but one. If only this last egg would burst, we could all go in the water. But it's so large.
The mama duck sat and sat, but the egg didn't burst. After a few days, an old duck came to pay.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?